Hello everybody, I'm Leo and this is my beautiful wife Marie, and we are the Traveling Lovebirds. Today we are going to take a tour of the garden wing. This is a separate wing that's off of the Contemporary Resort in Walt Disney World. And we had found this place, and the reason why I'm doing this tour is because we had to go here for our laundry. This is where the laundry room is, and this is where we're able to wash our clothes. So I talked to management, the supervisor Tammy. She's in charge of the rooms over here, and she gave us a tour of the room. So everybody always wondering what's that look like on the inside. So I'm going to show you. So I want you guys to come along. What a day. It's the place to be. Shine like the sun. What a day. All right, there she is. A lot of people ask me, wonder what that one's like. It's got 3 floors. It's called the garden wing of the Contemporary. So you can see there's a lot of trees and everything around it. I guess that's what Walt's mindset was when he had visions of that. But that's one of the older ones. I believe that was here before they built the Contemporary even, or it was done at the same time, or it was done a little after. Not really completely sure. Don't hold me against that one. But we took a tour of that today because we had to do some laundry, and that was the only laundry room on this property besides the DVC. Every room has their own washer and dryer in it. So we just went to the laundromat. They had a little laundry room over there in the garden wing. And look at that boat going through there. This is beautiful. What a beautiful resort. But I just wanted to say that this looks old and it looks run down, but it really, really isn't. Well kept. It's fully remodeled. It's got the Incredibles theme on it, the same as this, and it's really nice. Really is nice. So I just had to put that out there. And it's a lot cheaper if you pick that one. If you decide to stay there, it's a lot cheaper too. And you're so close to everything. You're close to the, all the water boats. You're close to the pools. You just walk right out. There's not only the bottom floor has balconies, and some of the corner rooms have balconies, she had told me. And the other thing is that the only thing that I see that's really would be a pain is you got to come all the way over into this building to get the monorail, to go on the monorail loop, to go to Magic Kingdom and wherever you want to go, Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios and whatnot. But hey, it is what it is. And if you want to save some money, you could stay there. This will give you an idea where it's located on the property. See, there's Bay Lake Towers, the new DVC. This is the laundry room in the garden wing. And you could get it has your soap powder and everything here. It's $1. It's $1 for each one of these. That's good to know. The washers are $3.25. Nice front loaders. The dryer is $3.25 also for 1 hour. And you get the permanent press wherever you want. But it takes They're nice dryers. They're big dryers. $325. Can't go wrong with that. And then you do the easy laundry. Everything is right from your cell phone. Doesn't take any money. You got to do everything from your cell phone. We thought that, you know, this was one of the older buildings that it was going to be a real dive. Not in Disney. They fixed it all up. They remodeled. Every room is the Incredibles. They refurbished every room. They all look like they have the same incredible theme, and so nice. I actually thought that's why we never booked here. I mean, pretty much there's only 3 floors, and there's it looks sort of dingy from the outside. I gotta be honest with you, but the inside, everything is all really nice and new. Check it out, please. Look at how nice. All new carpeting. This is really... Yeah, they put new carpeting even in the rooms. It's got the incredible orange theme, like, you know. But it's nice. We didn't know, and the only reason why we came over here is because this is the only place that has a laundry room. And we're staying in the Contemporary. There's no laundry room over there in the main tower, but there is in the DVC lounge. And this is the lobby. Nice little lobby there. I don't think it's a balcony though. Oh,
the king room.
Okay. Oh, this is nice. You know, they always. Oh, it almost looks. It looks almost the same as where we are in the Contemporary.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. It does have the whole. The whole theme of. Okay.
Yeah, it's the Incredibles. They're both theme. It's just we have carpet all the way over in ours, and in the tower side they have the but it's all still the same setup.
Oh, it's all the same setup. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, so now we know. Because we were sitting.
We have the showers. We don't have tubs over here.
Yeah, well, that's good.
The only ones that have tubs are the suite ones.
Who wants the tub?
The lake.
Yeah.
Because it's like the lake is right close to you.
Right.
If you stay in the back T section.
Oh, okay.
So then you can watch the water parade going around too.
We're watching it from the.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
so a lot of people they come over here because it's a little quieter.
Yeah.
And it's not that echo from the lobby and the shops and stuff.
So this is what they used to look like. What a big difference. Wow. Look at the bathroom and everything. That's why they called it the Contemporary. Now it's the Incredibles. Right to the Contemporary.
Right.
And this goes right into the main lobby. It is. It really is easy. So I just had to tell everybody, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and ring that notification bell. And you can even share this video if you like it. Thank you so much. What a day. It's the place to be. Shine like the sun. What a day.